Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and for my new subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you all so much. In today's video, I'm going to be getting all my ironing done, and also is my natural hair wash day routine. I always leave all my pile of clothes and iron them on one day, and today is the day I've choose to iron all the dresses. And each time I have to iron, or whenever I have to pile the dresses, I have two basins that I always put all the dresses that need ironing inside. And kids clothes are usually very stressful to iron because they are very tiny and need a lot of attention, and so ironing in bulk is very tiring, but I have no choice than to pile them and iron on one day. As a mom with a newborn, it's not easy, so but I have to do it. Yeah, ironing is something I don't really enjoy doing, but I must do it because I don't like seeing my kids wearing on iron clothes. I'm more of a house person and I love to live in a clean environment. So, cleaning and decorating is more fun to me than ironing, even though I don't yet know how to decorate so well, but I'm happy doing it. Any dress with a design on it, I try to iron it inside out because the design can actually come away with the heat. I'm done with ironing, lovelies, and now is the time for my hair, and I have to do a DIY hair mask that I'll be washing my hair with. And the first thing I'm going to do is to harvest my aloe vera leaf from the aloe vera in my house that I'm going to be using for this hair mask. I'm done with the hair mask. I did it behind camera. The video for my hair mask will be coming up next. Please stay tuned. I'm just going to be straining it. I will strain it very well and I'll be using it for my hair. Please, my next video, you will see how I made this hair mask. It is very good. I really love it. It was my first time doing this mask and I love it so much. It works very well for my hair. You can see this is my hair. The other day in the last video, I showed you how I was unraveling it, or I was taking down my cornrow, 6 weeks cornrow. And guys, I was thinking this cornrow, as I've left it for so long, maybe it's going to break my hair. But guys, I'm so happy nothing happened. I'm going to part my hair into 4 halves before I start applying my mask. The reason why I do this is just to make things easy for me, Normally, before I apply my mask, I normally comb my hair to tangle it very well. But in this case, guys, I'm really, really tired and the baby is sleeping. I have to make everything possible to hurry up because once she's awake, then I'll not be able to continue with this hair. But I will advise if you want to do your hair mask, it's better you detangle your hair to make things easy for you if you have time. But if you don't have time, you can as well do it the way I'm doing it. With this mask, with the aloe vera inside, it is going to be very, very easy to detangle it even with the mask. So that's why I don't bother myself detangling it before applying my mask. I'm done applying my mask and I did that behind camera, and I also detangled the hair behind camera and twisted it. I didn't want this video to be too long, that is why I did that. And now guys, I'll just cover my hair with a plastic bag and also a shower cap and leave it to sit for at least an hour. Some people leave it for 30 to 45 minutes, but for me, I'm going to be leaving it for 1 hour because I have some things to do during this time. So once I'm done with them, then I'll go and wash my hair. While waiting for the 1 hour to wash my hair, I just decided to do my dishes, and at this time I'm just doing my dishes. Once the time is over, I will go and wash my hair. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have watched up to this extent, I love you. And for my new subscribers, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you love what I'm doing here, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down there and leave me your comment in the comment section. Yeah, lovelies, at this point I was so tired and hungry. I couldn't resist until I washed my hair. I just decided to eat even with my dirty dresses. So after this, I will go and wash my hair. Yeah, I'm done washing my hair. I couldn't film it because I wanted to do it as fast as possible. So this is my hair. Look at how soft, shining my hair is. I just love how my hair feels right now. I love this mask. It's my first time doing it, and I must confess it is very, very, very good, and it is very good for my hair. Thank you all so much for watching. I really, really appreciate, and I'm signing out right now, and up there you will see two other videos. Please help me and watch it. And if you have watched up to this end, thank you so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.